In 2013, under a $150 million contract, Russia delivered 12 Mi-35 MEM heavy attack helicopters to Brazil. These aircraft underwent extensive modifications and are referred to as AH-2 Warblade in Brazil. The Mi-35M is an improved export version of the Russian Mi-24 armed helicopter. It was first introduced in 1999, while the Mi-24, which served in the Soviet era, entered service in 1972. Its main feature is the combination of strong attack capabilities and troop transport capacity, allowing it to perform tactical operations similar to an airborne infantry fighting vehicle. The Mi-24 has participated in numerous real-world conflicts. However, the overall capabilities of the Mi-35M are much stronger than those of the Mi-24. Its main feature is the ability to operate in all weather conditions. The aircraft is equipped with modern navigation equipment, including multifunctional color displays that provide the crew with intuitive access to data and imagery from the sighting system. The crew also has night vision devices and benefits from some of the technologies used in the Mi-28N armed helicopter. Overall, the Mi-35 is widely recognized for its excellent performance. The Mi-35M sold to Brazil is not in its original configuration, as some systems have been modified. Most of the aircraft's structure remains the same, powered by two VK2500 engines with a maximum output of 2,200 horsepower. The original metal rotor blades have been replaced with composite blades, and the tail rotor is in an X-shaped configuration. The main rotor consists of 5 blades, enabling the helicopter to reach a high-speed flight of 310 kilometers per hour. It has a maximum operational altitude of 5,400 meters and a maximum range of 1,000 kilometers with full fuel load. The helicopter still features a tandem configuration for its 2-person crew. The cockpit has been equipped with various new electronic systems, including an Israeli navigation system installed at Brazil's request, as well as an onboard computer, anti-jamming communication equipment, satellite positioning, OPS-24N night surveillance, and targeting devices, and others. Armor provides protection for the crew and critical components. The troop compartment retains its capacity to transport 8 soldiers, 2 stretchers with corresponding medical personnel, or up to 1,500 kilograms of cargo inside the cabin, with the ability to externally carry up to 2,400 kilograms of cargo. While the original Mi-35 had retractable landing gear to reduce aerodynamic drag, the AH-2 uses fixed landing gear, which reduces some structural weight. The helicopter has a pair of shorter wings on each side, totaling 4 weapon attachment points. It can carry up to 8 anti-tank missiles or up to 4 80 120mm unguided air-to-ground rocket pods or other machine gun pods. The gun turret mounted under the nose carries a dual-barreled 23mm cannon, whereas the original Mi-35M was equipped with a 4-barreled 12.7mm machine gun. The engines and exhaust pipes have certain infrared suppression measures to reduce the aircraft's infrared signature. Additionally, radar warning receivers, chaff dispensers, and infrared jammers are installed to enhance battlefield survivability. The Brazilian Air Force announced in November 2014 that all 12 AH-2 helicopters had been delivered. With the arrival of this batch of helicopters, Brazil became one of the few countries in South America to possess dedicated armed helicopters. However, those familiar with geography should know that Brazil is vast, and a mere 12 helicopters cannot bring about significant enhancement in its military capabilities. Based on Brazil's subsequent operations, we can glimpse their motivation for purchasing the AH-2. They combined their reconnaissance cameras from the Brazilian Aerospace Industry Group with the helicopters, deploying them in the Amazon rainforest. These areas are plagued by drug trafficking and cross-border smuggling, so it seems they intend to use these professional military helicopters to counteract criminal activities.